Tote bags have become one of the most sought-after everyday carry solutions offered in the modern market, by checking many boxes, making them fitting substitutions for commuter-oriented laptop bags, eco-conscious alternatives for single-use shopping bags, or simply as an EDC companion. Widely offered in a latitude of sizes, shapes, colors, and materials from independent brands to luxury retailers alike, with some even revamping first-gen designs infusing tech-centric features or more premium materials. As such, now seems like the perfect time to showcase 5 of the top best tote bags for everyday carry. Rains first offered their modernist reinterpretation of the classic yellow rain jacket back in 2012. Since then, the Neo-Scandinavian outerwear company has implemented their waterproof materials into carry solutions like this 24-liter tote bag. The Rains tote bag is a high-capacity minimalist carry solution with plenty of utility, sporting the same material construction and design characteristics as their iconic jackets. With a hydrophobic exterior sporting a water column pressure rating of 4,000 millimeters, this tote bag is an uber-safe choice for just about any compromising conditions. Sizing up at 17.7 inches long by 17.3 inches wide by 4.7 inches deep, the near square outer is constructed from 2 large pieces of PU-coated polyester for 6.3 gallons of volume, and weighs 400 grams or about 9/10 of a pound unpacked. Offered in 3 color variations, the Rains tote bag outer has a matte to satin finish with a high amount of pliability. Rains provides 2 carry options for this tote bag, via the full-length side webbing straps or the detachable QR shoulder strap with metal hardware for an over-the-shoulder or crossbody configuration, utilizing the built-in end tags. As the outlier in this curated list, the Rains tote is devoid of any external storage to maintain its intention as an impervious waterproof unit. As such, all-around quick accessibility is not a hallmark of this tote bag, keeping that in mind for any EDC applications. When opened, you'll find that Rains decided to keep internal organization at a bare minimum, with the bag only offering up just one zippered sub-pocket adjacent to the undivided main compartment. Predictably then, we'd categorize this as an excellent pick for transporting items subdivided via EDC pouches and organizers. As an example, we stowed away a packable jacket, an EDC organization pouch, a pair of over-ear headphones, a water bottle, some charging accessories, a backup watch, a pair of sunglasses, and some literature. And in the only organization zip pocket, we house some notebooks, a small bottle of hand sanitizer, travel documents, a card holder, wireless earpods, and a portable SSD. While we maintain that a few more interior organization options would increase the tote bag's overall utility, it's predictably on par with the Rains MO for minimalism here. So if you're already a fan of the neo-Nordic design trend or already own a piece from Rains and wish to maintain a cohesive appearance, this first pick in our guide is a noteworthy choice. Our next pick by San Francisco-based Aer is the space-saving, featherweight, and fully packable 17.5-liter Go Tote 2, branded to be the urban EDC tote bag solution for any and all day-to-day demands. For this tote, Aer opted to provide only a single carry style via the grab handles that can be tethered together via a single sliding buckle strap, so you can either sling it over the shoulder or simply hold the tote in hand. Dimensionally, the bag totals 15 inches long by 11 inches wide by 5 inches deep, with an exterior cut from a Blue Sign approved 210D Cordura crinkle nylon with a single set of medium-length grab handles, totaling 1.2 pounds unpacked. It's a hard-wearing tote bag with a good amount of water resistance, thin and light enough to roll up or fold away to pack into a larger carry solution for travel. Aer outfitted this tote bag with a front edge-to-edge pocket, quickly accessible via a single central magnetized Duraflex buckle. The ease of this locking mechanism makes this a perfect place to store highly utilized carry like a notebook or a piece of literature. And on either side of the Go Tote 2 are single elastic stretch pockets, roomy enough for a small water bottle or a pair of sunglasses on the 180. And to complete the tote bag's outer features is a middling zippered pocket for stashing away any small valuables, nestled against a handy luggage pass-through. Aer makes use of a single clamshell-styled main access with a YKK zipper, Hypalon pole, and convenient grab points provided at both ends to aid with opening and closing the Go Tote 2. On the left, a loop for opening and a textured grab tab for closing on the right. Fans of the brand will recognize Aer's trademark classic gray and black interior. Keeping the organization simple, Aer provides a large central cavern as the bag's main real estate, where we packed away a light jacket, MagSafe charger, a pair of over-ear headphones, a 13-inch laptop in the adjacent softline sleeve, and an EDC organizer. And the 2 smaller elastic pockets, a portable SSD and a pair of wireless earbuds, a knife, and a few bolt-action pens. In hand, we uncovered 2 minor but important findings about the Aer Go Tote 2 we thought worth mentioning. As an aesthetic note, the stitching on the grab handles is opposite what we'd imagine, as the folds are visible from the exterior side of the handles by the top of the bag, giving the outward appearance that the handles are inside out. While it's clear that this is a conscious aesthetic design choice for contrast and added visual interest, The rest of the tote stitching, like the crinkled nylon outer, is folded inward as would be expected. Second, while we highly rate the user experience of the integrated grab loop and texture grab tab provided for opening and closing the zipper with ease, the nylon cover leaves 2-inch gaps on either side of the bag's opening, perhaps classifying it as a poor choice for any use in any inclement weather despite the water resistance of the Cordura shell. Minor notes aside, we'd recommend the Go Tote 2 as a great choice for commuter-centric carry or as a travel companion for its durable and lightweight materials, packable frame, and its sharp silhouette. Sized down from 15 liters to 12, the Bellroy Tokyo Tote Compact is a tech-centric second-gen evolution loaded with revamped features including a smaller footprint, beefed-up internal organization, and proprietary pocket technology that eliminates any need for excess hardware like zippers. The 12-liter compact tote sports a 17.3-inch length, a 12.2-inch height, and a 3.5-inch width, adding up to 550 grams or about 1.2 pounds unpacked. For comparison, the original 15-liter version sports a 14.2-inch length and an 18.5-inch height dimension. Sizing down has helped Bellroy minimize the on-body weight, important for a carry solution that doesn't have the tailored ergonomics of a backpack or a crossbody laptop bag. That being said, our Melbourne Black variant utilizes a set of soft padded webbing straps with a dot-textured non-slip backing, the only carry style provided much like our previous Air Pick that can be utilized in hand or over the shoulder. The fine weave outer has a premium semi-shine in the light, but we found the water resistance lacking, with some of our testing absorbing into the material after a short time, so keep this in mind if the intended use is outdoor commuting with tech stowed away. A small front zip pocket hides a khaki-colored O-ring key leash and stands as a prime choice for stowing away any frequently utilized EDC without needing to access the main interior, prime for any travel or financial documents. As a side note, Bellroy utilizes two styles of zip pulls for the outer construction, a standard flat unit for the front zip and a twisted grab loop style for the main zip. With the presence of only two on the entire tote, the choice seems incohesive, since they can only be compared to each other, but the utility of the folded top zip does provide a markedly better user experience for the main compartment, so we'll move on. Like our other top picks, the interior is where the Bellroy Tokyo Tote sets itself apart, featuring a slim edge-to-edge top zipper that opens to reveal a premium light khaki-colored lining. In addition to the standard softline sleeve where we tucked our 13-inch laptop and central compartment, large enough for a pair of over-ear headphones and a small notebook, the front interior sports a trio of pockets, the two side units making use of the innovative pop tech meant for stowing away something akin to a water bottle or a pair of sunglasses in shape and size, and a central unit for a MagSafe charger or a hard drive. While creative in theory as a competitive rival to elastic-style pockets, we actually found the desired tension and resistance lacking here, with insufficient rigidity for the pocket to actually pop back into place, to safely secure items for travel, pushing this feature toward novelty territory more than anything else. As a suggestion, Bellroy could bolster these pop pockets with the same magnetic closure integrated within the front face of the laptop sleeve. But all in all, the Bellroy Tokyo Tote Compact is a straightforward and superb EDC tote, with just enough tech-focused features to rival a traditional laptop bag. Ever since their first uber-successful Kickstarter campaign back in 2011, Peak Design has funded every product brought to market as a crowdfunding campaign. The San Francisco-based company's full commitment to the customer since their start is enough to earn our respect and secure a spot on our list, delivering with intentionally designed carry solutions as a byproduct, like the Peak Design Everyday Tote designed for transporting cameras and EDC. As a 15-liter unit whose longest dimensions measure 16.5 inches in length, 12.6 inches in height, and 6.7 inches in depth, it maintains a feature-rich offering on paper, using 1.8 pounds of 100% post-consumer recycled material. Making up the exterior is a 400D nylon, double poly-coated with a DWR finish rendering a satin-like texture, solution dyed for even more environmentally friendly points. The Everyday Tote provides almost a dozen outer loops sewn into the sides and the outer edges dubbed Peak Design's cord hook system to allow integration of the removable padded shoulder strap in many different configurations, or to ratchet down bulky items to the bag's exterior. While not forgetting a pair of traditional thin, built-in grab handles, the Everyday Tote scores high for versatility for a classic in-hand carry style, an over-the-shoulder style, or a crossbody configuration. The padded thick foam bottom and side panels allow the bag to stand on its own, unlike any of our other picks, which provide the protection necessary for items like camera bodies and lenses, for which this bag was specifically designed, in line with many other Peak Design blueprints. The front exterior hides an edge-to-edge ultra-zip pocket under the dual magnetic flap, featuring a row of 4 small elastic pockets on the inner side, one main cavity, a single elastic pocket on the outer surface, and an elastic QR key leash. As an example, we stowed away a ring of keys via the QR key leash, and in the lattice of small stretch pockets a portable SSD, a pair of wireless earbuds, a card holder, camera battery, and an SD card. But the nature and the layout of these stretch pockets bakes in a high degree of versatility to pack as desired, with small-sized EDC for any intended application. On the 180, Peak Design offers a similar pocket configuration minus the zipper, now with a built-in grab handle under the flap for unique accessibility. A pocket knife and a few EDC pens fit comfortably, but as a side note, we'd shy away from anything of value here due to the absence of any magnetic or zip closures. As a tote bag built to transport expensive electronics, Peak Design has ensured that the Everyday Tote's main access point provides the utmost security against the elements. However, the Everyday Tote still maintains quick accessibility via the half-roll design, 2 beefy magnetic closures, and a full-length zipper track. Coming as no surprise, the main compartment is organized with padded flex-fold dividers for customization built for lenses, cameras, or any other tech-centric EDC with compatible dimensions. In their default configuration, we carried a lens and a DSLR with an EDC organizer, pair of sunglasses, and a few charging solutions at the tote center, with a piece of literature and a 13-inch laptop in the adjacent subdivided sleeve. As a note, the modular FlexFold units flip up or down to provide full top-to-bottom access on the left and the right side adjacent to an undivided central subsection, or it can be completely removed via 4 large swaths of Velcro. To top it off, Peak Design has offered a few convenient mesh pockets above these Velcro walls for any leftover EDC like a bolt-action pen. To summarize, Peak Design's Everyday Tote is one of our favorites for the creative or the commuter, embodying something akin to an EDC tool in its own right, offering up practical organization, high-grade construction, and an uber-enjoyable user experience. Moving on to our most rugged and all-American manufactured pick, the Mission Workshop Drift Laptop Tote Bag secures the last spot in this guide for its adaptable functionality in typical Mission Workshop form. A sizable 28-liter interior, full waterproof X-Pack fabrication, numerous AquaGuard zipper checks protecting a slew of external pockets, and a 16-inch padded suspended laptop sleeve. The 2.8-pound Drift Laptop Tote Bag sits at 15 inches tall, 7.25 inches deep, and 14.5 inches wide, with an outer shell constructed from Dimension Polyant X-Pack fabric for this VX-Spec version. However, it's also offered in multicam Cordura and a hard-wearing HT500 high-tenacity nylon. We'd recommend the VX-Spec versions as they are able to withstand virtually any compromising condition, much like our first pick from Rains. Mission Workshop offers 2 carry styles for the tote bag via the integrated grab handles or a removable and adjustable padded shoulder strap via a set of D-rings. As a standout feature, the medium-length nylon grab handles sport integrated buckles, unlike our other picks which gloss over a tethering feature entirely or sport a separate linkage loop, which could certainly separate from the bag and get lost over time. When fully packed, the padded rectangular base sits upright and independent for effortless access to the tote's external and internal compartments. The frontmost exterior pocket resides under a magnetic flap closure backed up by a full-length, water-resistant AquaGuard zip track. Purposefully laid out, the 4 inner pockets and a zippered mesh outer pocket are apt units for highly utilized EDC like a pocket knife, a backup watch, a ring of keys on a mini key leash, a few bolt-action pens, and a portable SSD. The edge-to-edge mesh zip pocket is an apt storage unit for any travel documents, charging cables, or a pair of wireless earbuds. To the right, a vertical AquaGuard zip pocket is a great place to stow away a piece of literature or a small tablet or an e-reader. Completing the tote's external components are 2 side pockets, a sleeve that comfortably housed our 350ml water bottle, and on the 180, a soft tricot-lined zip pocket for a smartphone. And seeing that this could be an apt travel companion due to its spacious volume, Mission Workshop has outfitted the back side of the tote with a thick Velcro luggage pass-through. A tote bag's function and user experience dictate straightforward top-down accessibility, and the Drift Laptop Tote really delivers here. Moniker aside, the dedicated laptop sleeve is a feature easy to miss, as the AquaGuard zipper track closely borders the blacked-out stitching surrounding the top of the bag. As an uber-spacious and secure unit, it comfortably accommodates 16-inch laptops, sports a tricot-lined material, and is suspended for peace of mind when setting the bag on the ground. Protected with the same waterproof exterior X-Pack material and a full-length AquaGuard zip track, The main real estate is an all-in-all straightforward affair with a cavernous 28-liter main compartment, large enough for a packable jacket, pair of sunglasses, over-ear headphones, an EDC organization pouch, MagSafe charger, and a piece of literature or a small notebook in the dedicated Velcro sleeve with plenty of room left over. So, with standout organization, prime materials, full waterproof construction down to each zipper, and heaps of internal volume, the Mission Workshop Drift Laptop Tote offers insane value.